Hi guys, it's Doreen and welcome back. It is so good to see you guys back here, and today I have a new video where I'm going to be doing a kind of unboxing review slash first impression of Sunflower Jewels jewelry. And they actually reached out to me, so this video is sponsored by them, but they actually asked me to have my 100% opinion. Either way I would have done that, but this is really going to be more a first impression. Hi Daisy. This is going to be more a first impression of what I think about the company, what I think about their products, and of course, I'm just going to be sharing with you guys all of that right in this video. So I'm very excited, and let's just get right into it. So here we have the package, and it arrived pretty quickly. They placed the order on March 3rd, and it arrived on the 6th. So it actually came super quickly, and I'm just really excited. I honestly have no idea what's going to be in here. I was looking briefly at their website and social media, and I actually really like their products, and it seems like something I would personally wear. So I'm just really excited to see what they sent me. Like I said, I have no idea what's in here, so it's going to be as much of a surprise for me as it is for you guys. So let's go ahead and get opening. All right, so here we go. You guys can see what's in there. I'm really excited to open this. Let's see. And that's it. Okay, so we have two boxes here, and we have first a little business card that says Sunflower Jewels on it, and it has some pictures. And it says on the back, "Hey love, thank you so much for accepting to collab with Sunflower Jewels. We hope you like your new items. Have a beautiful and blessed day. If you have any questions, please contact us on Instagram." They also have their social media, which is their Instagram is at Sunflower Jewels, and their TikTok is at the Sunflower Jewels. Honestly, looking at their social media, I actually really like the jewelry and thought it would be something really, really cute, and it's pretty affordable as well, which is nice. It's not something like crazy expensive. So I really like that, and I think it could be nice for you guys to check out as well. So here we have this box, and it says Sunflower Jewels on it. So here we go. Here we go. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So here we have this necklace with this little pendant here, and it is gold plated. I love gold. This is really, really nice, and it has a rose in the middle of it. Oh my god, this is, wow, this quality is actually really nice. But it looks like this. I'll show you guys some close-ups as well. I'm really excited to try it on. Let's see if I can get the back. Yeah, I got it. Ooh, that looks so pretty. This is so unique. I love this piece. Oh my gosh, and it's very heavy too. It feels like a good piece of metal here. So this is the Alexandria necklace. It was retailing for $28 for this necklace, which is again super affordable. I love that. This is 18 karat gold plated stainless steel. It doesn't tarnish, and it's 20 inches, and I love it so much. I think it is so beautiful and very special and unique as well. So let's open up the next box. Here, this one looks like this. And it's kind of hard to see with the white. Hopefully you guys can see that a little bit better. And this one, it slides out. It has a little pull tab here. And this one, ooh, this is so cute. So this is how this one looks like. It is actually two pieces. And these are in silver. And so we have a necklace as well, and we also have a ring. Oh, these are two rings. Wow, that's nice. So here's how these ones look like. So this one is a sun and a moon. And of course I'm going to be showing close-ups of everything, but I do think that these are really unique pieces. Here's how they look like. I think these are such lovely pieces. I love the sun and the moon. I think that is such a unique piece to have. And you can actually give this to your significant other, as you guys can see. So that's how these ones are. I mean, again, if you want to wear them for yourself, you totally can. You can put them on opposite fingers, you can put them together. These are made out of 925 sterling silver, and ring size is adjustable from US size 5 to 10. So that's really, really nice, and I think that these are all super cute. And this is how the other necklace looks like. This one, it has, let me just flip it around. This one, it has a moon and a heart, and it also has a little gem in the middle that moves around. I think that is so cute. I love these pieces. I think that they're really nice quality, honestly, and I just think that they're really nice pieces to have. I think these could be really nice as a gift, or even just for yourself if you want to buy something cute. Especially I love the fact that they're very affordable, and I do have a coupon code for you guys. They're having a 20% off sale right now, and you guys can use the code WELCOME20 for 20% off, as I said. So that way you guys can also save some money, and I do think that products are very unique, and I also saw that you could actually order some products and customize them as well. They also have some keychains, some bracelets, rings, and also personalized products as well. where you can put initials, or like I love this one. This one is a personalized knot bracelet. I think that's really cute. They can also have a personalized name necklace and just a lot of personalized products as well. I remember I saw like they had like a keychain, and this one says drive safe, I need you here with me. I think that's so cute. It could be a nice gift to give to someone and just kind of remind someone that they are loved, and especially when they're driving. I think it's such a cute thing to put on a keychain. On their website they say that this is affordable handmade jewelry, and they also offer worldwide shipping, and it is 100% safe and secure checkout. So definitely you guys can trust this company. I personally really like the products that they have. I read a lot of really good reviews about them as well. If you guys have previously bought from them, definitely leave down in the comments below what you guys think of them. I think that it is so nice that they sent me these products to review for you guys, and I hope that you guys can really get a chance to see how their products look like and just hear my opinion of it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to Sunflower Jewels for sponsoring this video and for sending me these products. I love them. I think they are super special and unique, and I just think that I'm gonna be able to wear them a lot. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also leave in the comments down below what you guys thought of it. If you liked it, if you didn't like it, definitely let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!